Hello, and welcome to this video where we'll show you how to use the templated sessions of NeuronUP. Here I am in the main working area. I need to go here to Sessions, to Digital Sessions. And here on my session screen, you can see here below we have four specific templated sessions that you can take advantage of. One for Alzheimer's, one for ADHD, one for brain injury, and another for Down syndrome. You can see here, clicking on the session, that we have four choices that we can choose from. So start, assign, view, and duplicate. I'm going to click on each and every one of those to show you how the different four functionalities of these templated sessions work. Clicking here on start, basically this will allow me to just immediately allow my patient to immediately jump into the session with the results being recorded to their profiles. Here I'm going to have Christine do this. So what's happening is I'm being logged out of this device, out of this computer, this iPad, whatever I'm working on, and Christine will take over this device and all the results of these activities will be saved to her profile. Click on start.
Locate yourself in time and answer the following question.
So what month is it? So basically Christine will work through until the timer ends and the session ends and then she'll log out and those results will be saved. I'm going to sign out here because Christine is in this device, so I'm going to sign back in as me. Let's go back to the sessions area, digital sessions, and let's click again on that templated session, and we'll take a look at assign. Assign will basically the same thing as start, but I'm assigning it for future use. So say I want to send that session home for them to do at home, I can do again. Christine is going to ask me which dates I'm going to assign those for. Let's say the 26th through the 29th, for example. Session for home. So you can see here I've assigned Christine that session for these 4 days here at the end of June. So that's the assign feature of the templates, of the templated sessions. And now let's take a look at the view. View is basically we're just taking a look at what's in the session. So we have these 6 activities, 3 games or 3 worksheets, 2 games here, and 1 generator. And then finally, let's go over to duplicate. So basically, this allows you to take that templated session and make it your own. Duplicate it, we can rename it as we wish. And we can change the color, we can change the icon, whatever we like. Duplicate. And here we can duplicate, we can edit, we can take out activities, we can rearrange the order of activities. So let's take out this activity. Let's go back and let's add another memory activity, for example. Let's add this worksheet, rearrange the order. I can click in, I can add more time, take away time, start at a specific level of difficulty, etc. So finish. And now instead of my new duplicated session appears here in my facility sessions as opposed to the templated area here. And I can use this as I wish. So I can assign it to my patients, for home, for clinical use, for whatever. So that's the 4 different functions of the session templates. I hope you find use for them, and thanks for joining me.